Welcome back to Old Studio Car, where we explore the machines that shaped driving history and still manage to turn heads today. In this video, we're taking a deep dive into the 1970 Vantage pickup truck, a model that has earned a loyal following for its rugged charm, dependable engineering, and unmistakable old-school attitude. Today we'll walk through its newly updated exterior restoration, talk about how it performs on the road, examine its maximum speed and fuel average, and finish with an updated look at its current market price. Let's start with the exterior, because the visual presence of the 1970 Vantage pickup is one of the biggest reasons people fall in love with it. The new update on the model we're reviewing keeps the original classic proportions intact, but brings everything to a sharper, fresher finish. The body lines remain squared and tough, exactly the way trucks were built during that era, simple, functional, and proud. The refreshed paint job adds depth and shine without losing the vintage character. The chrome bumpers have been repolished, giving them that mirror-like reflection that instantly catches sunlight. The headlights, still styled in the traditional round shape, now use modern bulbs for better brightness while keeping the authentic look. The updated tailgate alignment, new weather seals, and restored bed lining make the truck feel almost factory fresh again. It's a respectful restoration that stays loyal to the personality of the original design. Moving on to performance, the 1970 Vantage pickup has always been about steady, reliable power rather than racing speed. The truck is equipped with its classic inline-6 or V8 configuration depending on the specific trim of the year, and both options are well known for being durable workhorses. The restored version we're reviewing today retains its vintage powertrain, giving it that unmistakable rumbling tone when you turn the key. Acceleration is smooth, but the real strength of this truck is torque. It was built for hauling, towing, and taking on rougher roads without feeling strained. At moderate speeds, the truck feels comfortable and predictable, and the steering, though noticeably heavier than modern power-assisted systems, offers a genuine connection between driver and machine. The suspension, which has also been refreshed, keeps the ride firm but stable, reminding you that trucks from this era were designed to last, not to provide luxury softness. As for maximum speed, the 1970 Vantage pickup isn't built for high-speed thrills, but it can still hold its own respectably. With the classic V8 engine configuration, the truck can reach around 90 to 100 miles per hour at the top end. The inline-6 version tops out a bit lower, typically around 80 to 85 miles per hour. The updated tune and restoration work helps smooth the upper speed range, but this truck remains most comfortable at cruising speeds between 45 and 60 miles per hour, where it hums along confidently and feels perfectly at home. Fuel average is another area where these vintage trucks tell a story of their time. Modern efficiency wasn't a priority back in 1970, and these engines were built for strength, not economy. The inline-6 models generally return about 12 to 14 miles per gallon, while the V8 versions tend to average around 10 to 12 miles per gallon. The restoration may improve fuel delivery and smoothness slightly, but overall, the numbers remain true to the original design. Owners of classic trucks usually accept this as part of the charm. These machines weren't meant to sip fuel, they were meant to work hard and sound great doing it. Finally, let's talk about price. The value of a 1970 Vantage pickup varies widely depending on condition, originality, and level of restoration. A well-preserved or fully restored model like the one featured today typically falls between the mid-teens to the mid-20s in thousands of dollars. Highly detailed restorations, rare trims, or collector-grade examples can climb higher. The strong demand for vintage utility vehicles has kept prices steady, and the 1970 Vantage continues to be a smart purchase for enthusiasts who appreciate both style and history. Thanks for watching Old Studio Car. If you love classic machines and want more deep dives like this, make sure to subscribe and stay tuned for our next review.